good day ladies and gentlemen. I am James Edward Cosset and I am here in front of you to talk about Heinz dilemma and how it connects to Lawrence Kohlberg's theory of moral development. So I will interview three people with different ages so that we can find out of what their opinions are. So here's the scenario.
In Europe, a woman was near death from cancer. One drug might save her, a form of radium that a druggist in the same town had recently discovered. The druggist was charging $2,000, 10 times what the drug cost him to make. The sick woman's husband, Heinz, went to everyone he knew to borrow money, but he could only get together about half of what it cost. He told the druggist that his wife was dying and asked him to sell it cheaper or let him pay later. But the druggist said no. The husband got desperate and broke into the man's store to steal the drug for his wife. Should the husband have done that? Why?
So, nakaibaw na ka sa story, no? Gibasahan natin kay story. So, nakoy pangutana una. Gikawat ba ni Heinz ang tambal or wala?
Wala.
Nganong wala man?
Kay dili mo na maayaw mga kawat.
Onya?
Kay mapriso siya.
Onya? Kanang mapriso siya niya. Kanang iyam tong gikawat para siyang asawa para maulian yang kanser.
Mangayaw gwarta.
Ha? Usaw man pangay paagi, pangitag paagi.
Ingon ma, mangayaw ko gwarta kay nakanser kong uyab.
Onya? Wala may kwarta, iyan na lang kawato ng tambal.
Di.
Ha?
Dili maayaw kawaton, mangayaw sa lain o gwarta.
Nakoy kadong pangutana number 2. So, og dili lab ni Heinz iyang asawa, iya ba gyapon kawato ng tambal?
Dili.
Ngano man?
Dili. Kay dili gid na maayaw mo kawat. Kay mapriso siya. Mangita siya lain og kwarta. Kung walay kwarta, mangita siya paagi.
Sige, salamat. So, nakoy first nga pangutana, number 1. Should Heinz steal the drug? Why or why not?
Oo. Iyang gikawat.
Kay
Kay kuan kani wala man siya laing magipangita og pamaagi nga makakuan siya kay ang iyang kwarta nga nakuptan katunga ra sa presyo sa kaning tambal. Unya wala man siya laing kapaingnan so iya na lang gikawat.
So, nabasa na to nimo ano ang kuan story.
Story sa tambal.
Katong kuan.
Ito, iya, sawa.
Oh.
Sa titon.
So number 1 nakoy question duha ka buok. So number 1 kanang gikawat ba ni Heinz ang tambal?
Wala. Wala ko gitawa.
Ngano man?
Iya, natong gipalit. Iya, mag-kuan. Sa nga na. Hinay-hinayan ang bayad.
Di man mo sugot ang di ba? Ni ana to nga kanang hinahinayan niyag bayad ang tambal pero wala mo sugot ang kuan.
Ang tindera. Ang katong
Nagbaligya. Nya. Kanang yadto niya pagkagabi eh.
Iya, iya, gikawat.
Oh,
Wala ang pagkuwataga.
gikawat niya or wala?
Wala.
Wala ngano man. Nganong angay ba niya gikawat kawaton di?
O, dili to niya kawaton. Iya, lang to gihangyo. Siguro ang tagabatika. Iya, tangon.
Wa di man mo sugot utangon.
Ang isang dito, adi na lang to niya padayonon tong tambal.
Sige, number 2. Og dili love niya yang asawa, og dili niya pinangga yang asawa, kawaton ra bagi hapon to niyang tambal or di?
Dili.
Ngano man?
Dili to pinangga ni asawa.
Unya?
Bahala na to mamatay.
Sige. Mora na. Salamat.
After interviewing 3 people about the Heinz dilemma, I found that they had different opinions about what Heinz should do. The first person said that stealing the drug was not good, because stealing is always wrong. The second person said that Heinz was right to steal the drug because he only wanted to save his wife's life. The third person believed that Heinz should not steal because there are other ways to get the money to buy the medicine. In conclusion, the answers show that people have different views about what is right or wrong, and each person's decision depends on their own values and sense of morality.